Tulsi leaves are known as Holy Basil, and they are used in natural remedies to treat seasonal flu. Tulsi leaves reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases by improving lipid profiles and reducing blood pressure. Tulsi leaves are believed to have mucus-dissolving properties and treat a few respiratory conditions like asthma and bronchitis. It has immunomodulatory properties which help the body to fight infections effectively. Tulsi helps the body adapt to stress, and it has a balancing effect on the body's stress response. It has anti-inflammatory properties which can prevent many diseases. Remedy to reduce stress and elevate mood. Heat some water, add some fresh clean tulsi leaves and boil the water for a few minutes. Strain the water, add lemon and honey to enhance the flavors. This drink instantly calms the mind, elevates the mood, and it hydrates the body.